For this discussion, we're doing reinforcement gone wrong. Scenario 1. After reading through this, I just think that the teacher didn't keep going long enough. She just removed the intervention that she started using too fast. So I would implement it back in, or I would probably just go ahead and use a card that has permission to make one on topic comment or ask one question. And that's how I would handle this situation. Scenario 2. I believe with this one, she just didn't continue the follow through, and she just decided to give up. And I think she just needs to keep going with the planned ignoring and keep up with the data. And scenario 3, this one, I believe what went wrong was that the fish crackers were used too much and the students just got tired of it. So I would revisit my student assessment that I'd maybe taken at the beginning of the year and see what they like. Or if I didn't do one, I would make sure that I have done a student assessment to find out what the students do like so we can change it up. In scenario 4, after reading this, I just feel like he's kind of doing this by himself and is just kind of looking. And with this situation, what I would like to do is have like a student teacher conference where we could talk about his preferences, and or maybe create a fun way for him to do like a choice board where he could put pictures and the words that go along with what he likes. But that's about it. Have a good night. Thanks.